Today, I have a lot. With my best friends, SpongeBob too, and special Thanksgiving meal. I'm going to have some McDonald's, and it's also one of my favorites as well. 15 burgers, French fries, and I think I might finish them all. This is going to be the best Thanksgiving. Right, my friend. All of your 15 burgers and 14. Would you at least share with us? We don't want you to eat too much. Yeah. Come on. I've been waiting for weeks for this mukbang Thanksgiving holiday. Please? I order them all for myself. You know you guys can order food for yourselves too. Since Gelatin got his own food, I'm coming for a ride. Don't blow up. Yeah, and I also got two. Before I dig in, let me just look up for McDonald's, especially my best friends. Okay, so I'm gonna dig in right now. Hey, Gelatin, we're back. Guys, I'm stuck. The next part is really gross, so I guess I'm gonna skip it. Yeah. Look at that damn mess he made in the kitchen. There, guys! Gelatin and see how he's doing. Please just be nice. Oh dear, is he okay?
Told you that you're gonna end up.
Oh, I told him he should share the food with us.
Well, Gelatin. After eating too much McDonald's in one night.
Well, yeah, good for you. You look healthy. Not
Oh, and even you, lollipop.
friend's name. Language, buddy. Gelatin, what is wrong with you? That's a Will Smith line, dum-dum. Hey!
Guys, I have an idea. Bring BFB for attention before What if we can do the same thing to use the bell so then he poops?
Wow! You're a genius! Work, but I think next time we should eat some Taco Bell.
Enough chit chat. Just ring the bell.
I guess that worked. Thanks for visiting, Teardrop. Giving meal is a habit.